Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canvas, access online learning platform step by open a web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type your school's Canvas URL or type canvas.instructure.com if you use the general Canvas login page. Press enter to load the Canvas login screen. Look for a button or link that says Find My School or search for your school if you are not redirected automatically. Type the name of your school, university, or organization in the search field. Select the correct institution from the list that appears. Wait for the page to redirect you to your institution's official Canvas sign-in page. Choose the login method shown on your screen, such as student login, faculty login, or staff login. If you see an email or username field, click inside it and enter your school email or assigned username. Click inside the password field and type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If there is a show password option, use it to confirm you typed the password correctly. If your institution uses single sign-on, click the SSO option like Google, Microsoft, or SAML to continue. When prompted by your SSO provider, enter your account email and password, then confirm the sign-in. If you are asked for multi-factor authentication, approve the notification or enter the verification code. After authentication, wait for Canvas to load your dashboard. If you land on the wrong page, click Dashboard in the left navigation menu to reach your courses. On the dashboard, locate your course card and click it to open the course. If you do not see any courses, click Courses in the left menu and then select All Courses. Check the list for your class and click the course name to enter it. If your course is missing, confirm you are in the correct term or contact your instructor or school admin. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the email reset instructions. If you are on a shared computer, avoid selecting Remember Me to protect your account. If Canvas loads slowly, refresh the page once and confirm your internet connection is stable. If the page will not load, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. If you are using the Canvas Student app, install it from the App Store or Google Play and open it. In the app, search for your school, select it, and continue to the same login method you use on the web. After logging in, confirm you can access your dashboard, course modules, assignments, and announcements. For security, log out by clicking Account and then selecting Logout when you finish your session. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.